Welcome to another episode on dental malpractice. Today, we're going to be diving into a topic that might hit close to home for those of you who've had your wisdom teeth removed. And I'm talking about lip and chin numbness post-surgery. Although wisdom teeth extraction is quite common and generally runs smoothly, serious complications can arise. And today, we're going to be talking about nerve damage. So let's get right into it. During wisdom teeth extraction, there's a chance of nerve injury, which can cause numbness in the lip, gums, cheek, and chin. The key nerve here is the inferior alveolar nerve. The inferior alveolar nerve runs right through the middle of the lower jaw and provides sensation to the lower teeth, gums, lip, and chin. Damage to the inferior alveolar nerve during extraction can lead to lip and chin numbness. But keep in mind, other causes of nerve damage could also be causing the issue, such as the effects of local anesthesia, swelling, or an infection. Now, if you're sitting there wondering, how do I know if I've had nerve damage? We're about to break down the symptoms of inferior alveolar nerve damage for you. These symptoms can include numbness or tingling in the lip, chin, face, or gums. And some patients experience a painful or burning sensation in the affected area. But how does one go about diagnosing inferior alveolar nerve injuries, you might ask? Well, it's a process. Your dentist or oral surgeon should conduct a thorough dental examination, take your history, and probably order some radiographic imaging like X-rays, CT scans, or CBCT scans. Sensory tests to evaluate nerve function might also be performed, and you could be referred to specialists like neurologists to fully examine the issue. In terms of treatment and recovery, there's a range of approaches. Often, lip and chin numbness improves over time as the inferior alveolar nerve heals, and these less severe cases of nerve damage may not require surgical intervention. However, if the nerve is severed, or if the damage is severe, the wait-and-see approach might not be appropriate, and surgical intervention, such as microsurgical nerve repair or nerve grafting, may be an option. When a patient is dealing with lip and chin numbness, the patient will have to learn to live with the nerve damage to some extent during the recovery phase. Additionally, if the damage is permanent, the patient may have to learn to deal with these symptoms forever. Some ways people cope with nerve damage is by eating soft foods, drinking through a straw, and practicing speech exercises. Now, prevention is always better than the cure. So what can be done to avoid nerve damage during wisdom teeth extraction? Well, the key here is to fully evaluate the patient's anatomical structures with high-quality imaging. Assess the risks and study those structures before engaging in surgical procedures. And if the procedure looks to be extremely risky, the dentist or surgeon should refer the case to the proper specialist or provider with the skills to do the work. Lip and chin numbness after wisdom teeth removal can be a terrifying experience. But understanding the origins, the symptoms, and the potential treatments can equip you to manage this condition effectively. If you're grappling with persistent numbness post-extraction, do not hesitate to contact your dentist or an oral surgeon, because working closely with dental professionals that evaluate and treat your nerve damage at the earliest opportunity can significantly enhance your chances of a full recovery. Well, that's all I have for you today. If you've experienced numbness in your lip, chin, gums, or face after a wisdom tooth removal, and these symptoms don't seem to be going away, you may be the victim of dental malpractice. And if you think you might need legal help, please do not hesitate to reach out to us. We're happy to give you a free consultation and talk with you about whatever happened to you. All you have to do to schedule a free consultation with us is call the number below in the video description. Or you can look us up at www.carelessdentist.com. Thank you so much for watching this video, and we'll see you next time.